Hi guys, my name is Sun, one of the business managers here at Volkswagen of Puyallup. And today I'm going to be going over what a vehicle service contract is, or for short, VSC, and 4 things on whether they are right for you. All right, first off, the most commonly misconception is vehicle service contracts are not extended warranties. Extended warranties are free coverages that are provided from the manufacturer. A vehicle service contract, like I said, is called a VSC, is a guaranteed paid coverage by you that'll take care of your vehicle from mechanical breakdowns. All right, so the first topic is going to be I drive a lot, or you drive a lot. So a lot of times people ask, hey son, I drive too much, those things don't benefit me at all, I'll probably run out of the coverage before the miles or the time is hit. That is actually far from the truth. You're more likely to use a vehicle service contract than someone that doesn't. Let's just compare it to sports real quick. So if you go to the gym maybe like 10 times in a day, or maybe like 5 times a week, or just train a lot, like an athlete, then you're more likely to benefit from having gear that will protect you and to help enhance your workout experience. The same thing for vehicle service contracts. If you're only hitting the gym once a year, like me, then you're probably not going to benefit as much as someone who does go to the gym quite often. Does that make sense? All right, the second thing is going to be budget. So if you're like me, I live my life on a budget. I don't have tons of money saved up in my pockets or in my home where I can shell out enormous amounts of cash. So with any vehicle, the more you drive, the more likely you are to have or experience a mechanical breakdown. So that being said, it is a lot easier to just finance your vehicle service contract into your financing or your loan. And it usually costs about around $30 to $50 extra a month, depending on your credit and depending on the vehicle. Now that being said, for me, it's a lot easier to pay my deductible, which is only $50. So if anything happens to my vehicle, I just pay the $50 deductible. The car will be towed to my dealership of choice, and they'll provide a rental car for me if I need one, and they'll take care of the repair bill. Sometimes repair bills can cost a lot, and it's a lot easier for someone like me that's on a budget to be able to take care of that. Okay guys, the third topic I'm gonna talk about is that my car is great, my car is brand new, it won't break. And I am honestly guilty of that as well. But let's just do math and probability here. Let's just say 99% of the time your car doesn't break, and only 1% of the time you experience a mechanical breakdown or a failure. Well, cars are built with thousands of parts inside of them. But let's just assume your car only has 1,000 parts, and only 1% of those parts break down and fail. That's about 10 parts roughly. And let's just assume your average part here in this scenario is about $200 a part. That being said, labor rates aren't very cheap either, as the way economy is going and the rise in parts and labor. So let's just double that. So you're already at $2,000 in parts for the 10 parts, times 2, now you're at $4,000 total cost. And that's only if your car breaks down 1% of the time during your ownership. Now, that's just math and probability, but if your car does experience more than that, which some of us out there have, and I don't wish that upon anybody, and this is definitely not a fear tactic, it's more so probability and math. That's a solid reason for me to get a vehicle service contract. And for the last part here, now service departments would never exist if cars never broke down. Obviously they do, and they're a huge part of our customer service to all our customers here that bring their vehicles in for service or for maintenance. But the last thing I want to talk about that a lot of people don't know or aren't aware of is here, your vehicle service contracts are fully cancelable and prorated back to you. What does that mean? It just means that as you pay for your coverages, that if you trade your vehicle early, let's say you get out of the car, you want to upgrade, or you sell your vehicle due to life circumstances and changes, whatever is remaining, that money comes back to you. So you never really lose out on the coverages that you pay for. And that is the top 4 reasons why I recommend getting a vehicle service contract. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe, and see you guys next time.